sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and I am extremely grateful you decided to click on this video today for some Sunday Reset motivation. In today's video, I am going to be taking you to my classroom. I am a bilingual third grade, first year teaching first grade bilingual. And every weekend, now and then, I like to give the sink there a very good clean. I'm blessed enough that I do have a sink in my classroom. So we're gonna do that first. Then I'm gonna show you a quick DIY on one of the mirrors here that I'm placing in my living room. We are gonna be baking some sourdough zucchini bread with sourdough discard. And guess what? I am finally gonna show you some behind the scenes of my main bathroom renovation. We are almost there. Tile is missing, and then guess what? It is time for the big reveal. So before you leave, I hope that you hit the subscribe button and you become part of this beautiful community where you, my friend, are the most valuable person right where you are. Let's do it. To clean the classroom sink, I am using the cleaning paste from Dollar Tree as well as the sponge. Of course, there is a custodian that is amazing, and I love everyone that works there helping me maintain the classroom. But once in a while, I like to take my time and really give the sink a very Mariana clean, if you could say that. I also enjoy wiping the counters and the kiddos' desk once a week, as well as I have a little diesel vacuum, just the one that I usually use at home, and like to clean my classroom as well. Now I am going to take a second to wipe everything with the Clorox wipes. Back home, I want to spray paint this mirror here. The color was green and it blends in with the walls. So I am trying to bring a little bit of farmhouse, coastal farmhouse vibe to the living area. So why not take advantage of this beautiful weather day here in Jersey and give this mirror a quick spray paint. This is such a beginner-friendly, affordable, and easy DIY that will bring a mirror back to life and give it a different quality. So here we are in my main bathroom. I am so excited to start sharing this behind the scenes with you. As you could see, the toilet has been installed actually for a while now. I did ask my friend if he could install it early, since it has taken a very long time to this project to come alive. Right now he is finishing spackling. He's giving this 2 rounds of spackle, and then he will be starting placing the tiles in the shower. This is a little closet here that I cannot wait to show you every single detail on why did we or I chose this way. I did consult it with my children because they're the ones that also are going to be using this place daily. If you're a part of this community, you have heard me talk about this bathroom for the past year and a half, and I'm honestly cannot wait to have it completed. You have no idea how much we need this bathroom, and I want to thank you for being with me this long since the beginning of this journey. I am extremely grateful that my neighbor is so handy and always willing to come over and help. Obviously, I do pay him because he does this as a side hustle, but he works amazing. And of course, the dogs have to follow him everywhere. So prepare that if you ever visit New Jersey and come to my home, just know that my dogs are always going to be willing to welcome you. Here we are in the heart of my home, and using sourdough discard, I am going to be making zucchini bread with raisins, and oh my Lord, it was delicious. I am going to be using my bread machine to help me bake the zucchini sourdough bread, but if you don't have one, you could use your oven and it'll be as divine. I am also gonna take a second to feed my sourdough and leave it on the counter. The recipe for this zucchini sourdough bread will be in the description down below. I am taking a second to coat the walls of the pan to make sure as the bread rises, it does not get stuck to the wall. It is recommended that you start with your wet ingredients first when you're using your bread machine. Sometimes, to be honest with you, I do it the other way around because I forget or I am rushing. But it is a great tip and it does work very effectively. I hope so far you're enjoying today's video. Let me know in the comments down below how is the weather where you live today, Sunday in New Jersey. It's almost 60 degrees. We are having a beautiful Sunday day, but yesterday it poured cats and dogs all day. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for being here. By the way, I forgot to add the cinnamon, and right now I realized that, so that's why you're going to see me adding the cinnamon now. And the next day, I did the same thing. I baked another one, and I forgot to add the cinnamon. Next time, I truly have to remember. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I truly want to thank you for being here. You are absolutely the most valuable person right where you are, and I am extremely grateful that you decided to stop at my home to hang out with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Here I'm showing you my sourdough. I'm going to feed it. I feed it with whole wheat flour. It is very cold here in Jersey, and it all depends what area and temperature you have in your house. Some people are going to tell you that your sourdough needs to stay a little bit more liquidy like the pancake batter, but I found that mine, if it's a little bit more thicker, it usually thrives the most. I do feed it whole wheat flour, but then I bake with regular flours. Thank you so much for being here. Stay until the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you love bread and which one is your favorite bread, or if you want me to bake something here on this channel, or even better, how about if you send me a recipe that I can make here. Thank you so much, friend, for being here. Stay until the end, and until the next, love always. Bye.